Disgruntled former employee kills 5 in Florida, plus Cosby trial and hit-and-run investigation. Hello, and thank you for joining us. From the ABC Columbia studio, I'm Kimberly Davis. Here are your trending headlines for Monday, June 5th. 5 people are dead after a workplace shooting in Orlando. Here's what we know. A 45-year-old man killed his former co-workers before turning the gun on himself. Orange County police say 3 male employees and 1 female were killed, and another victim died at the hospital. We'll have more on this story on the Evening News and World News tonight. Turning now to Bill Cosby's sexual assault trial. It starts today, and Cosby is expected to appear in court for opening arguments. ABC's Lindsay Davis is outside the Pennsylvania courtroom with more.
The stakes are high as the sexual assault trial is set to begin today against the man once known as America's Dad. Bill Cosby will not take the witness stand. Cosby is charged with felony aggravated indecent assault stemming from a 13-year-old claim from accuser Andrea Constand, a former Temple University employee. Constand alleges the comedian drugged and sexually assaulted her at his home in Pennsylvania in 2004. Cosby has denied wrongdoing and says their encounter was consensual. While the 79-year-old has been accused by more than 50 women of drugging and/or sexual misconduct, this is the only case where he faces criminal charges. When we brought up the allegations in an interview with Cosby 2 years ago, he had this to say.
I have been in this business 52 years, and I've never seen anything like this.
Back in 2005, the district attorney at the time decided not to criminally prosecute Cosby, citing insufficient credible and admissible evidence.
One of the things that the prosecution was relying heavily on is the ability to bring forth many more of the women who have made similar allegations against Bill Cosby.
The prosecution petitioned to have as many as a dozen accusers testify on Constand's behalf, but the judge is only allowing 1 other accuser to take the stand.
Whenever you try a case a decade old, in this case we're talking about over 13, 14 years, quite naturally memories fade.
The jury is made up of 7 men and 5 women. 8 of the jurors are under the age of 40, which could prove significant because The Cosby Show stopped taping in 1992. So while they may have seen reruns, it's possible that those jurors may not be familiar with Bill Cosby at the height of his career, which is something that legal analysts say could fare well for the prosecution. Lindsay Davis, ABC News, Norristown, Pennsylvania.
Back at home, Columbia police are still searching for the driver involved in a hit-and-run. The incident occurred last week, and CPD released this surveillance video in hopes that someone might come forward with information in the case. Police say the 27-year-old victim was struck on Thursday around midnight in the 1200 block of Taylor Street. If you have any information that could help investigators in this case, call Crime Stoppers. The number 888-CRIME-SC. Join us for news, weather, sports, and more on air, online, and on our mobile app. Here's a sneak peek of tonight's episode of The Bachelorette. I'm Kimberly Davis. Enjoy the rest of your Monday, and thanks for watching.
This show is about, do you want to find love? And that's not what he's here to do.
Do you think he goes home tonight?
I hope he goes home tonight.
I told Rachel in our one-on-one time that Lucas is here for the wrong reasons, because that's never changed.
But I can't tell her what to do. And for me to just assume that she's going to trust what I say over him, even though I know it's true, doesn't mean that she does.
I want to just say that, I had an amazing night with you.
We did.
And
at the after party.
Yes, at the after party. And I know there were some things said from, Blake, and I think he just doesn't like me.
Why?
I don't know if Blake has a crush on me. I mean, the other night, he was over my bed, peeling a banana, and he was, licking the banana like this.
Okay.
And I woke up and I was like, why is this?
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this real or is this a joke?
No, that happened.
Did he finish the banana?
He might have.
Okay.